quick video here today on repurposed containers. The real purpose of this channel is to make things easier in your life, so I wanted to show you guys this. I'm always repurposing containers for different needs, and these are actually industrial welding rod containers. They're actually really high quality, and they're self-sealing and waterproof. They're designed to keep out humidity. Humidity will ruin welding rods, and these are commonly thrown away all over the place. And they're so nice, I really wanted to reuse them. So I took a couple and I painted them with plastic appropriate spray paint. And I've added these. This isn't soft rubber, this is mid-grade rubber. 2 rubber strips on each end. There's rubber bands on here because the glue's setting. And so I cut them to fit, wrapped them around each end like so. Put rubber bands around them to hold them. And the reason I did this is because I didn't want to disturb the integrity of this container. I didn't want to drill through this and put hoops or anything else to attach this to a rack, because what I want to use these for is on an ATV rack, I think. So I didn't want to do that. So the purpose of the rubber being added is that they'll sit on the rack snug, and then I can put hard cable ties right like that and wrap them right to the rack, and then it'll sit offset on the rack, so I can just open this up and put whatever carrying items I want to in there. So there you go. Tighten it down and it'll be good to go. Pretty cool. Well, that's just one idea. Many things can be repurposed. I hope this helps you and gets you thinking the right way on how to recycle things. Save the new world with the old world. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.